What causes hair loss? What can I do to save my hair? Hair loss has many causes. Is regrowth possible? Yes. Treatment can help stop or slow hair loss.
The earlier treatment is started, the better it works.
In men, it is called male pattern hair loss. Women get female pattern hair loss. With age, most people notice some hair loss because hair growth slows. Hair implants and hair growth are one of the quickest ways to get results. Transplant hair from the back of your head to the area of your forehead where it has lost hair. Hair implants give your forehead more hair. Alopecia areata is a disease that develops when the go to bed early and keep late. It helps hair repair and regrow. A number of factors can increase your risk of hair loss, including
a family history of balding on your mother's or father's side, age and significant weight loss.
We detect our scalp and hair and know their condition. Better treatment for your hair. Recommend you to detect hair loss by professional scalp analyzer. 50 or 200 probe to detect scalp and hair loss condition. Analyzing scalp problems in different modes to help customers have a more comprehensive, faster, and better understanding of scalp problems. It can detect the skin tone and clearly see the oil, texture, and keratin. The sensitivity, redness, and deep inflammation of the scalp are reflected. And the characteristics of a sensitive scalp are more obvious. Check the density, hair thickness, oil, blockage of hair follicles. You will get a digital analysis of a scalp report after checking. Ask your doctor about medications and supplements you take that might cause hair loss. They will recommend treatment products or hair loss treatment item. Protect your hair from sunlight and other sources of ultraviolet light. Stop smoking. Some studies show an association between smoking and baldness in men. If you're being treated with chemotherapy, ask your doctor about a cooling cap. This cap can reduce your risk of losing hair during chemotherapy. China Analyzer a Scalp Analyzer System latest update version. Manufacturer in China. Thanks for watching.